Let's take a look at Tkinter scales, and you can visualize scales as sliders. So new file, scale.py, and then we need to have our variable. Variable is equal to tk.intvar. Inside root, our scale is equal to tk.scale. We need to specify our parent. We can specify even a starting point from, I'll take 1, and 2, I'll take 25. So scale.back. Let me just give you a quick look at scales. Main loop. So this is what a scale looks like. Unfortunately, right now it's vertical. I want to change it to horizontal. So we'll change the orient equal to tk.horizontal. There's even vertical, and can you believe that Tkinter has such attributes? So I can move these around, and that changes the value. I can associate, there's no text variable, there's only variable, and I can associate a variable with it. So I'll take variable is equal to variable, and then let's just add a button. tk.button root text is equal to print value, and command is equal to print val. We'll create a quick function here, def print val. We don't need any arguments, or actually no, we don't. We'll directly type it down. Print scale, actually variable dot get. We didn't pack this. Oops. Let's pack it and remain loop it. But dot back. Let's run this. It's 15. The value is 15. 8, 17. Can keep changing this however long I want. There are some parameters that you can pass into this, such as into the spin box, such as slider length, slider relief, and the width. And there are several parameters that you can pass into them, but these are the important parameters. So all of this is great, but what if I want to let's say download an application with Python, and for that I need a progress bar, right, to tell the user how much of the app is downloaded. Well, there's a Tkinter widget for that as well. So stay tuned for the next video.